In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert furniture block in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll walk through the exact actions you need to place a furniture block into your drawing, and I'll add a few practical tips so the process is smooth every time. First, activate the Insert command. You can do this by typing Insert into the command line and pressing Enter, or by clicking the Insert tab on the ribbon. Using the command line is quick if you prefer keyboard workflow, while the Insert tab gives you a visual interface with recent items and favorites. Next, point AutoCAD to your block file. In the Insert dialog that appears, browse to the DWG that contains your furniture block, or pick one from the list of recent blocks if it's already been used in this session. If you browse, make sure you locate the correct file path so AutoCAD can find any dependent files. Selecting from recent blocks saves time and retains any insertion settings you used before. Now you'll specify how and where the block goes into the drawing. In the dialog box, you'll see fields for insertion point, scale, and rotation angle. You can type X and Y coordinates directly for a precise insertion point, or leave those fields empty and click on the drawing area to pick a point by eye. For scale, you can enter a uniform scale value to keep the block proportional, or uncheck the uniform option and enter individual X, Y, and Z scale factors if a non-uniform scale is needed. For rotation, enter an angle in degrees to rotate the block on insertion, or set 0 and rotate it later in the drawing. If you prefer to control insertion directly on screen, the dialog supports that too. Leave the insertion coordinates blank, set the scale and rotation options as you like, click OK, and then pick the exact location in the drawing area. This lets you visually align the furniture with surrounding geometry. When you're ready, confirm by clicking OK in the dialog box and place the block. After placement, you can use grips to move, scale, or rotate the block further if adjustments are needed. A quick tip: check the insertion point inside the block definition if placement feels off. The block's base point determines how it snaps into position. That's it. A straightforward way to insert furniture blocks into AutoCAD. Practice these choices and you'll gain speed and precision. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.